Hey guys, how's it going? And let me offer you maybe some food for thought. But keep in mind, this food that I'm getting ready to throw out there comes from a person who's pretty much lost everything they had. So, if you happen to be one of those people that's in that 9 to 5 gig, where they always say 9 to 5, and it actually ends up the more money you make, the more time you spend there. And I know this, like I said, from previous experiences. But you need to understand that, in this big machine that they call the corporate income side, where you're working, they have what they call cogs that fit in, to all the gears, and the cogs are what you are. You're a cog, just like I was a cog in that corporate machine. And we keep it going. And we keep making sure that the people that have or run the corporation fulfill their dreams as we sit there and just keep with the cog. The problem, periodically, the corporate gurus, if you will, on top just feel like, I think we could make a little bit more money if we just kind of eliminate some of the cogs that we have. We've got different cogs maybe doing too many things, and we could just have a little bit bigger cog doing more things. Next thing you know, you're getting replaced. And depending upon your age, you could be forced into retirement. So, if you're one of those people that happen to be making 6 figures in the corporate world, hang on to your pants, because corporate, without even thinking about it, can strip them pants right off of you and you got nothing. No chance, the job's gone, right? So no chance to get something, because at this point, who wants to hire a 62-year-old man or woman? It is what it is, right? And God forbid that would happen in one of you people out here, one of your lives. Because I can tell you, it licks, it bites, and it chews. More importantly, it freaking sucks. The roller coaster ride that you'll be on is an emotional nightmare. What if you could learn, say, a new skill? And it's not a complicated skill, but it's a skill as a digital marketer. And that allows you to create an income online, on the internet. And come on, let's be real. Most people know about the internet. And in this particular era, if you will, there's a lot of people that's making money online, and it's all about cutting and pasting. And I'm pretty sure if you're watching this, you know how to cut and paste, right? But do me a favor, if your parents look like me, maybe your grandparents look like me, show them this video. Because if they're on Social Security, their life is sucking big time, especially if they have no savings. So this can help them get their freedom back too. Now keep in mind what I'm talking about. There's no experience needed. And that 9 to 12 to 15-hour workday changes. And we're talking, you move to a 1 to 3 hour workday. Yeah, you can do a lot in 1 to 3 hours when you're focused and you know where you're going. It's a simple step-by-step process that you're gonna have to follow. And then the key component, if you will, to this is as you follow this step-by-step procedure and you learn it, then you have to implement it. And by learning and implementing, it takes a time, but it'll come around. It's not a get rich today kind of thing. And if that's what you're looking for, tell you what, save that money, save your time. Go buy a lottery ticket. Sit back, say a prayer. Maybe it will get answered. Or maybe, just maybe, you can stop this rat race and grab a hold of your own life and make your dreams come true. So, that's what I got for you. Take it or leave it. If you liked it, fantastic. Maybe hit me a like, and how about a thumbs up, if you will, depending upon what venue you're looking at this video. And if you think you could benefit from some of the things I got to say, hit the subscribe or follow. And then leave me a comment. Maybe the comment says something like, let's do this. Okay? Enjoy and have an amazing day.